Yes, the GMMG-CONCEPT trial is an investigator-initiated trial investigating the quadruplet treatment upfront with the monoclonal anti-CD38 antibody isatuximab in combination with carfilzomib, lenalidomide, and dexamethasone. So the ISA-KRD regimen. For high-risk patients, both transplant eligible and transplant ineligible with newly diagnosed myeloma. And the high-risk definition is based on the FISH analysis with the deletion 17p or T414 or T1416. And all patients have to have ISS stage 2 and 3. And we also include patients with more than 3 copies 1q21. So patients receive an extended 6-cycle induction treatment. Those patients transplant eligible undergo high-dose melphalan and autologous stem cell transplantation, and this is followed then by a 4-cycle consolidation and a 3-drug maintenance. And here we reported about the safety run-in phase, as the quadruplet regimen was for the first time applied in this trial. So we had a safety run-in with the first 10 patients who were all in Arm A, and so we reported about the results here. So overall, we saw that the regimen is very well tolerated. We have a non-surprisingly slight hematologic toxicity. We saw overall 1 fever in neutropenia. From the non-hematologic toxicities, we had 3 grade 3 or 4 in the 10 patients, 1 diarrhea, 1 cardiac event, and 1 bleeding event. However, this was due to a congenital aneurysm, so it was not study drug related. So I think that this is one trial also in the context of now other trials running introducing quadruplet regimens in frontline treatment of multiple myeloma, and we are seeing this strategy as the future strategy of treating myeloma patients, as those treatments are extremely well tolerated, and especially when you use the carfilzomib as the proteasome inhibitor like we do, you do not have the peripheral neuropathy anymore as a very severe toxicity our myeloma patients are often hampered by, and the monoclonal antibodies are very well tolerated. With the lenalidomide as the immunomodulator, we have a lot of experience in myeloma treatment, so I think this is really the future. So the trial includes in total 153 patients, and as of now we have included 112. So we are making progress in recruitment, so we hope fully close the recruitment in the second quarter 2020, and we will now analyze the first roughly 50 patients for an interim analysis about the induction treatment phase, and we hopefully will present those data in the next year's conventions.